lie, I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love?
Ready? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another Amazon wig because y'all loved the other one. So stay tuned for all the details. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go.
Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist. Criola, 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 Criola.
Let's get into it. Another Amazon wig. This is a 99J burgundy color wig, and it is from Amazon. It is a 13x4 HD lace frontal, and baby, I'm loving this color. This color was really made for me. I am in love. Now she is 20 inches and it was only $95. Now if you get one now, you can actually apply a $20 coupon, so you even paying less than $95. Baby, I'm here to save your coins. Y'all just don't understand that. But just keep on watching. Here I'm going to go ahead and bleach the knots. You already know the vibes. I started doing this little trick with the developer first and then going in with the bleach. Y'all know the bleach that I use is the chocolate one. Now I tried to add it to my Amazon front, but it is not on Amazon yet. So if I were you, just check Sally's. They definitely have it. The last time I went, it was actually sold out. But this bleach is definitely my favorite. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna get my hands on it when I move out of the country. Yes, you heard right. I went ahead and plucked this wig as always. The knots was really small. You could barely see them, which I feel like with Amazon wigs sometimes, well, some of my wigs that I get from Amazon, the knots are really thick and it's hard for me to bleach, but this one was actually pretty good, and on top of it, it was a colored wig. So I'm loving this so far. Now when I do the install, y'all might see the lace be a little, ashy, but that's because of my bald cap method that I did. I feel like I didn't do it the right way. As you guys can see, it is not laid all the way, in my opinion. But I'm gonna show you how to finesse this. Okay, now this is how she looked after I plucked her and bleached and washed her. I do tint the lace, but I feel like I could have tinted the lace a little more, as you guys gonna see in a little bit. The lace seems really white, but she melts really good. I'm not gonna lie. Like once you apply the spray, she lays really good. You just have to add a little more work to it. Let's say it like that. I love to use the Ebon sensitive spray because the black one, it gives me the security, but it kind of irritates my skin. So since I started using this gold one, it gives me the security and the long hold, but it doesn't irritate my skin like the black one does. So we gotta make it work. And usually I wear my wig, if I do wear a wig, for about 2 max 3 days, and then I take it off depending on how many videos I have to film. By the way, I know I sound terrible. I'm just getting over a cold. So bear with me. It is my birthday today and we're finna be lit. I'm just trying to get this done. Anyway, y'all see me cutting the lace here, and like I said, it looks a little crusty and whatever, but we gonna get this together. So when I cut my lace like this, sometimes I don't like cutting it like that because I actually cut my actual skin. Y'all probably like, how, sis, how? Girl, it does happen. But when I don't get the lace like as close as I can to the hairline, I just go in with these little scissors right here and just get the rest of them, and still make sure that I don't cut it in a straight line because it's gonna be too obvious. So that's the whole point of cutting lace in like a zigzag line, I guess, or not in a straight one, because it's gonna be obvious in a human's eye. I'm applying some of that ebon spray on the lace. So you guys see, as soon as I apply it, it pretty much disappears. It melts in really good, but I feel like I could have melted in a way better, because I think my bald cap method that I did, it just wasn't as flawless. So I feel like the melt didn't melt the way I wanted to, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, so this is what it's looking like, and it's not bad, don't get me wrong, but next time I'm definitely going to be able to lay down, because you see it just on one side, and it's actually just on one side where I feel like the cap didn't lay the way I wanted to. Anyway, now moving on to the style. So I decided to do that little side part heart that was really trendy, and I thought it was super cute, and Valentine's Day is right around the corner. So baby, it was only right for me to do this. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I was struggling, as you guys can see. And like I said, do not mind the lace right now, okay? We're gonna get it together. We're gonna melt it, we're gonna tint it. I got this, I promise. But I'm going to make sure that everything is nice and sleek laid down. I'm using the wax stick, and let me tell you, now when I use that wax stick, I gotta get a new one, because that wax stick is not it. I do not like the way it lays the hair. I feel like it makes it look a little greasy, in my opinion. But anyway, I'm definitely gonna need a new wax stick. Here you guys see how cute that heart is coming out, and to make sure that everything is laid down, I'm using the hot comb and the wax stick, so it is flawless. Now this is where my hot comb was still alive. It was literally hanging on a thread these past videos that I've made. I think I mentioned it on my last Amazon wig video. Baby, it just was not it. But here we are, I'm putting it to the side. Now I literally just put it to the side, and then I went ahead and cut the edges on the other side, because I am going to go back and fix that side part once I'm done with the edges. So if you are OG on my channel, you know I do not like flat iron my hair. So I went and got this Tymo flat iron. Now I know it does not look like a flat iron, but it's actually pretty cool. So it has this comb, and it flat irons your hair. So you comb it and it gets it flat. Now I'm really being super lazy right now, because I'm supposed to, section off the hair and then, comb through. But yeah, at this point I was really just over it for whatever reason, and I just did whatever. But if you are interested in that comb, I will be linking it down below in my description box. So here we are. Y'all see the lace that I mentioned is melted. Y'all don't see it anymore. If you want a more detailed video on how I melt my laces, please comment down below and I got you. So like I said, I went ahead and fixed that sleek side part and secured it with one of those bobby pins. The first one really didn't go the way I wanted to, but I got it together, and I thought this hairstyle just so cute. That heart shape is mad cute. I fixed it with some concealer, and that is about it. My face is beat, and we can move on. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check the description because the details will be all down below. This is your girl Angela, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.
I should have put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know.